Hello everyone. In part 1, we have learned that dictionary is a very useful data type when dealing with data which has key value pairs. We have seen some data in tabular form with two columns, name and age. We can represent this data using dictionaries as we have seen in a previous video. We have also seen how to create dictionaries in Python, inserting items in a dictionary, updating the value corresponding to any key, and appending the values inside a Python dictionary. Imagine if we have more than two columns, we can conveniently represent them using dictionaries. For example, if we have another column which is weight with the existing two columns, name and age, we can represent this data in the dictionary as well. In this case, we have to make use of nested dictionary. Let me show you how to represent this data which has more than two columns inside a dictionary. I will take the dictionary mydict. In between the curly braces, we put the key which is the name, and in place of value I will have the nested dictionary. In this value we have a dictionary which has again key value pairs. Now I will put the remaining sets of key value pairs. To check the dictionary value, I will execute this block of code. We have conveniently defined the data in the dictionary which has more than two columns. You can represent the same data in different ways using dictionaries. In the dictionary, keys should be unique. If you don't write unique keys in your dictionary, they are going to be lost. Repeating key will result the latest key value pair to be exist in case of duplicate keys. Here I am creating a dictionary dict and taking some string keys and numeric values, and now I am repeating the key A with the value 4. To see the result, I am executing this code dict. You can see here that the latest key from the dictionary is exists with the value 4. It was overridden the previous key which has value 1. Here we can see only a single key rather than having duplicate keys. In Python dictionaries, keys are case sensitive. For example, I am taking dictionary D with the key A and corresponding value 1, the key B with value 2, the key C with the corresponding value 3, and now I am taking the key A with the value 5. Let's run this to see whether the small a and capital A both are different keys. Let's run this code to see whether these both A are same or treated different. You can see here both the keys A are exist here. That means it is treating this A as a key with value 5 and the small a with the value 1 as different keys. So we can say that keys are case sensitive in Python dictionary. In Python dictionary, keys can have different data types. For example, I have taken a dictionary D string type key which has corresponding value 1. I am taking another key which is numeric type and having a numeric value. Now I am taking a boolean type key, and again I am taking a floating type key which has the values as a list. To see this, let's run this code. You can see that all the keys were accepted, and also we have given the value as a list. We have also given a value as a list corresponding to a key in a dictionary.